So the funniest thing happened when I posted my video about my Guzzi MisADVentures, was that I said I wasn't intending to create a channel. And here I find myself making a video for the channel. Go figure. That's because before I knew it, there were subscribers to a video where I said I wasn't going to create a channel. How do you like that? But I figured, well, let's just have a little fun and see what happens. In the meantime, I figured I'd show you my new storm exhaust that I put on. Let's see if I could turn the camera around. Okay, so here's the new storm exhaust. So, look, I bought I think it's a Mistral decat kit, or decat pipe, from Zap V85. And it didn't fit his bike because he had 1 year newer than this. So I bought that from him, and then I put the Storm on. Obviously, they didn't line up perfectly, but I did get it to work, and you can see right here, it does fit. And it's only a couple of ounces lighter or heavier than the carbon, the MIVV, whatever it is called, carbon unit. It's only a few ounces heavier, so I still shaved about 4 pounds off the bike, and it does make a difference. And actually, it seems to have made a difference also in the performance. It's feeling peppier. There's no doubt about it. It feels lighter and it feels peppier, but it sounds great. So check this out. Let's just put this in neutral for a second. You could look down the road while I do that. That's where I am. And I was going to go down here, but come on. I was going to go down this road here, but there are private property signs all over. And guess what it says? Danger, shooting range safety zone. So I figured it's better not to get shot inadvertently, although I think it would be hard to shoot me considering how I'm dressed. Anyway, let's take a listen to this new so that sounds pretty good. Yeah, so that sounds pretty good, right? It looks good. It was a little bit of a pain in the neck to put on, I have to admit, but otherwise, I'm liking it, and it sounds pretty good. So, all right, I think I'm going to turn around, because while I'd like to go down here, from the look on the map, down this road here, so this is definitely not a maintained road, and I already hit some pretty big potholes and holes in the road and everything. And then down this road, it takes a hard right and gets very squiggly. My guess is that's probably in Maine. I forget what the nomenclature is, but either class 6 or class 4, but either way, totally unmaintained and probably pretty rough and rocky or muddy. And I don't really feel like getting that crazy today. I'm trying to relax. Had a busy week last week. So in the meantime, we're going to turn around and head on to other parts. See you later.